Hi, it's Ashley from Woodyatt Curtains, and today we're going to show you how to measure your window for vertical blinds. For this you only need 3 pieces of equipment: a metal tape measure, a pen or pencil and a piece of paper. So let's get started. Right, okay, so the first thing we need to check before we take any measurements is the windowsill deep enough for a vertical blind? The first thing you need to do is grab your metal tape measure and measure how far the windowsill sticks out. For example, this one here sticks out 3.5 centimetres, so we'd add an extra centimetre on for clearance. And then the slats are 89 millimetres wide, which is pretty much 9 centimetres, and we'd add another centimetre on again. So 10 add 4.5, got 14.5 centimetres. And so therefore, as long as your windowsill is deeper than 14.5 centimetres, you'll be fine. Right, okay, another thing you want to check is that the window frame here is at least 30 mil, or approximately 1 inch deep. This is when the blind's shut, you can get a slight gap down the sides. On one side it's a little bit tighter, it's only like a 5 mil gap, but on the side you have the controls, you're going to have at the top approximately a 15 mil gap. And that's it. Once you've checked those two things about the windowsill being deep enough and your window frames are at least 30 mil, then you can go ahead and take your measurements. And you need to do this in 3 places. Start at the bottom, 115.3, in the middle, 115.5, at the top, 115.5. So there you go for the bottom measurement, the smallest one, which is 115.3. And then you measure drop, start at the left, so 112.5, 113, and 113. Right, so 112.5 for the drop. So the next step is you need to enter the sizes on the website. It's really important that you enter these as recess sizes and not blind sizes. The blind size is 1 centimetre shorter in width, which is only 0.5 centimetre on each side, and 1 centimetre on the bottom or on the whole drop, so it doesn't drag on the windowsill. If you do want to measure outside the recess, it's entirely personal preference, but normally we'd recommend 7.5 centimetres on each side, so 15 centimetres total for your width, and a similar amount for the top to the bottom, but it's down to personal preference. We also have another video on showing you how to fit the vertical blinds, which you may find useful. Anyway, we hope you've liked this video. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and ask any questions please in the comments below. Thank you very much. Goodbye.